Hey everyone, welcome to AutoGPT Tutorials. In this deepfake video tutorials, we're going to be talking about latest GitHub project Roop. Roop is a one-click deepfake video and face swap GitHub project that allows you to replace the face in a video with the face of your choice. You only need one image of the desired face. No dataset, no training is required. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install and use Roop. But that's not all, we have plenty of other exciting updates and tutorials to share with you in the future. So make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with all of our latest videos. Without further ado, let's dive into today's video and explore the world of deepfake. First, you go to Roop Project's GitHub page. Video related, all links available in the description. One-click deepfake, face swap. Take a video and replace the face in it with a face of your choice. You only need one image of the desired face. No dataset, no training. You see this video. This girl face change with another girl face. Install process. There are two types of installations, basic and GPU powered. Basic. It is more likely to work on your computer, but it will also be very slow. You can follow instructions for the basic install here. I open this link in another tab. GPU. If you have a good GPU and are ready for solving any software issues you may face, you can enable GPU, which is way faster. To do this, first follow the basic install instructions given above and then follow GPU-specific instructions here. I open this on another tab. After installation, you see this type of dashboard. First you select any face. And after select any target image and video. And start now. So let's start installation process. First I open basic installation process. And you see all requirements. Second, GPU installation process. If you have powerful GPU, you follow these instructions and install now. Choose your GPU and start now. But in this video, I will follow basic installation process and start now. First requirement, install Python. So I go to python.org. Go to Download tab and choose your operating system. For example, I use Windows, so I choose Windows. If you use macOS, then you choose macOS. Choose your stable release version. I recommended latest stable release version. Python March 10th, 11. So I download this stable release version and install in my system. After download, you install in your system. But I already installed in my system. So I move to next process. Next, install Git. So I go to Git for Windows website and download now. If you use Windows, then follow my link and download now. After download, install in your system. I already installed, so I move to next process. Next, install FFmpeg. So go to this link and download latest release version. Download this zip file and extract folder in your system. Extract and open this folder and move to installation file and create environmental variables. I create environmental variables for these file. So I copy this file directory. And go to my environmental variable setting and open now. Open environmental variables. In System Variables, choose Path and Edit now. I already created this environmental variables. But you create new with New tab and paste your file directory link. And save now. I already saved, so I cancel now. But you save and save. And move to your directory. Next, install Microsoft Visual C++ 14. Click Download tab and download and install now. I already installed, so I move to next step. Copy this GitHub repository command and download in your system. I move to my system and create a new folder. For example, Deepfake. And go to File Directory tab and open my terminal using cmd command. Download Roop GitHub repository using git clone and repository link. After cloning GitHub repository, go to GitHub page and copy next command and paste in my terminal. Copy this command. cd roop. And paste my terminal. Next, I will create a separate environment for this project. So I will create a virtual Python environment using Python mvenv command. If you don't get any message, it means your virtual environment created successful. Next, I will open venv folder using cd-venv command. Next, I will create script folder using cd scripts. After, I will activate my virtual environment using activate command. You see my virtual environmental start right now. I move back to my Roop folder using cd.dot command. One more time, cd.dot. And currently, I am in my Roop folder and my virtual environment ready. So next, I will go to my GitHub page and copy this command and paste in my terminal and install all requirement dependencies. Wait few seconds for install all dependencies. After install all requirements, download this file and keep it in Roop directory. And rename it to inswapper_128.onks if it isn't already. I go to this link and download now. After download this file, copy and paste in your Roop directory. Check name and rename it to inswapper_128.onks if it isn't already. I go to my Roop folder and paste now. Done. You should be able to use this software with Python run.py command. Input Python run.py command and start this program. After successfully run this command, you see this type of dashboard. Next, you will select a face image. In my this folder, I have some images and video. So I will use these images. For example, I use Sam Altman image. And change Elon Musk video face. But you try any image with any video. This is a demo purpose only. You see this video. I will change Elon Musk face with Sam Altman face. Next, I will select this Elon Musk video. I change this Elon Musk face with Sam Altman face. Start now. Save your output file name. So I will save now. After save your file, you see your video processing start now. So wait few minutes for complete your process. Process time depend upon your system. After complete your process, your video saved. So go to your folder and check now. My output video, see now. Wow, so amazing Elon Musk face change with Sam Altman face. It's so amazing. So you use this tool and change any video star face with any desired face. I think it's very useful for you. Thank you for watching this tutorial on the AutoGPT Tutorials channel. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest AI tools and tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to check out our other videos for more informative and exciting content. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.